If you've ever found yourself being added to random Telegram groups, sometimes by complete strangers, and you're wondering how to put a stop to it, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to lock down your Telegram privacy settings so you're only added to groups by people you trust, or not at all if that's your preference. This can really help cut down on spam, unsolicited invites, and unwanted distractions, so you'll get a lot more control over your messaging experience. Let's jump right in. First, open up your Telegram desktop app. Look towards the very top left corner where you'll see those three horizontal lines. That's the main menu button. Click it, and you'll see a panel slide out with several options. Take your time here and find the settings icon. That's the little gear symbol. Go ahead and click on it to bring up the settings window. Now, inside settings, you want to focus on privacy controls. Find the option labeled Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram keeps all the tools for managing who can contact you, see your info, and interact with you. Click on Privacy and Security, and you'll find a list of categories covering things like calls, forwarded messages, and more. Scroll down to the section called Privacy. This is a crucial area for managing what others can and can't do with your account. Keep going until you see Groups and Channels. This is the setting that determines who can add you into group chats or channels, which is exactly what we want to customize. Click into Groups and Channels, and you'll notice a few options for who is allowed to add you. By default, Telegram might let everyone add you to groups, which often leads to those random invites. To tighten things up, select My Contacts. This setting makes sure only people you already know, those saved in your phone's address book, can invite you into new groups. It's not foolproof, but it will filter out most unwanted invitations and is a great middle ground between accessibility and privacy. Now, if you want the strictest level of control, you can choose Nobody. This stops anyone, even your contacts, from adding you to groups and channels. Just keep in mind that Telegram Premium users might sometimes bypass this restriction, which is a rare edge case but good to be aware of. Most users will be fully blocked. Here's an extra layer you can add. Stay in that Groups and Channels area and look for an option called Never Allow. This is where you can specifically name users or even groups that you want to keep out no matter what. For example, maybe you have a contact who keeps adding you to irrelevant chats. You can add them here so they're blocked even though they're in your address book. Think of this like your personal no-fly list for group invites. Don't worry if this takes a moment to figure out. You can search and add people and tweak this list anytime you want. It's all about customizing your privacy so it works for you. Remember, these settings are always reversible, so if you accidentally block someone from inviting you, you can go back and adjust whenever you need. You might need to refresh your app or restart Telegram to see changes take effect, so give it a second if things don't update immediately. And that's it, a few simple steps and you're in full control of who can add you to Telegram groups. Your chats will be way less cluttered, and you'll have way fewer interruptions. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions or share your experiences in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more easy-to-follow tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.